Situated on a small island in the Muskoka Lakes region of Canada, Sagamore North Cottage presents itself as a work of restrained architecture. Surrounded by pine forests, granite boulders, and calm waters, the house is not designed to stand out, but to disappear. Its presence almost dissolves into the shade of the trees, creating a subtle distance between the living space and the outside world, while fostering a sense of intimate and protected privacy. The site's openness to boat traffic on the lake supports the design approach. Rather than responding with a defensive gesture, the architecture opted for a subtle strategy, creating layers of space that filter the view without severing the visual connection with the landscape. Thus, privacy is achieved not through enclosure, but through compositional organization, rhythm, and depth. The primary inspiration was drawn from the floating dock structures typical of Muskoka, which translate into a clean composition of horizontal and vertical planes. A flat roof with long cantilevers stretches lightly over the building's mass, creating ample shade for the surrounding wooden terrace. This element creates a subtle boundary between interior and exterior, where the living space flows seamlessly into the surrounding nature. The building is structured following the natural slope of the land, forming two levels that are visually and spatially connected. The main floor houses the living room, kitchen, and dining room in an open configuration, interspersed with 4 bedrooms arranged linearly along a circulation system filled with natural light. Below, a multifunctional space opens directly onto a stone terrace in the lake landscape, creating a more intimate and grounding spatial experience. At the heart of the house, a monolithic black granite wall stands as a unifying element. This wall serves not only as a structure, but also as a narrative marker connecting the 2 floors and resonating with the geological character of the land. Its dark, finely textured surface provides contrast and depth, emphasizing the dialogue between architecture and natural materials. The material palette was carefully chosen, emphasizing honesty, serenity, and timelessness. The exterior is clad in dark pine that blends with the forest shadows, while the interior incorporates maple veneer, micro-cement flooring, and fine wood details assembled without visual connection. The resulting atmosphere is one of serenity, warmth, and contemplation. An environment that allows nature to remain the main actor. The connection with the landscape is the foundation of the spatial experience. Full-height glass openings frame the lake, sky, and treetops as a constantly changing living painting. Shaded terraces, stone walkways, and wooden decks create a series of gentle transitions between the building and nature, allowing residents to move slowly, enjoying the changing light, wind, and seasons. Sagamore North Cottage is ultimately not just a place to rest, but also a meditation on how humans can humbly live within nature. Through its calm and restrained architectural language, the house teaches that true beauty is born not from domination, but from harmony. When building, landscape, and daily life blend in a calm and continuous rhythm.